Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Tomb of the Mask, and I'm going to show you guys a mod that I got it, which gave me unlimited coins, and I'm going to show you immediately guys to you. So this method, I find it out, it is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I decided to show you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android device, but the same steps are working also for the iOS users. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone, as you can see here, so I cannot show you the steps right now, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna make a tutorial also for the iOS users, guys. Okay, so as you can see right over here, I'm generating so many coins, and I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial step by step how I did it, what I did, and how you can do it also if you want to get it also you. Okay, so as you can see, the game works and runs perfectly fine. And with this mod, what is happening is that every coin that you earn is going to double up. This mod is really pretty awesome, guys. I find it out, and the steps are not so difficult, quite simple and easy. And I will not say too much inside of the game, so I don't make the video too long, just to show you that everything works. Okay guys, so I will quit from the game right now. I'll just go immediately to show you what you need to do. So before you start the loading process of this mod, guys, which is going to give you unlimited coins, all you need to do, you just need to make sure you're gonna have a good connection with internet. So make sure you get connected with Wi-Fi and also data, so for any kind of reason, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. Okay, and then all you need to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser which you prefer, and you just need to type the name of this website, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm typing for you, so I'm going to focus it right over here. You just need to enter inside of it. You're going to face different categories over here. Practically we're looking for a mod, so you can go by mod, or you can go by scrolling the apps also, or you just type in the searching bar about the name of the game, Tomb, or maybe just a keyword, it's enough, and here it is. And then you just need to press the blue sign on the side, and you have the whole information right over here, and you just need to press the blue sign and wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of this mod completed until the end, guys. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod and will start to generate the coin, same as me. Okay guys, so if it happens to any one of you to require any extra step in the end of the process, this is because of the region where you are located, guys. So if it's going to happen, just complete what is required. You're going to be able to get it also you, the mod, same as me. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.